In this video, we tried to detect human pose with baseball players' video. The video to use as an example is the swing posture of Bryce Harper, the Washington Nationals outfielder. Starts alpha pose with input video. It will run using TensorFlow and Torch. Videos were split into 50 images. And it took about 15 minutes to process 50 images. You can see that the key points of the posture are displayed for each image. Also, the position of the key point of the posture can be seen in JSON form. In the open source, there is an error in making each image into an video. So I will use ffmpeg to make the video from image. Type this command in result directory. Now you can see that the results come out on video. Thanks for watching this video.